If you're over 60 and feel like your muscles are shrinking, your legs feel weaker, or even simple chores leave you tired, you're not alone. In fact, it's not your fault. It's something called sarcopenia. That's a natural loss of muscle that begins as early as our 30s and speeds up in our 60s. But what if I told you that just one spoon of the right food, taken before bed, could help your body naturally rebuild muscle while you sleep? And no, it's not a protein shake or an expensive supplement. Today, I'll show you exactly what it is, why it works, and how to use it safely at home. As we age, we naturally lose lean muscle mass. After 60, the average adult loses about 3 to 8% of their muscle each decade. That's a big deal, because muscles aren't just for strength. They help you balance, walk, protect your joints, and even regulate blood sugar. The condition is called sarcopenia, and it's linked to falls and fractures, joint pain, fatigue, and even memory issues. So if you've noticed your arms getting smaller, your legs feeling tired, or clothes fitting looser, that's not just getting older, it's muscle loss. But here's the good news. Science shows it can be slowed down or even reversed with the right nourishment. Let's talk about some common foods that silently damage aging muscles. These are foods many of us grew up eating, but they're working against your strength. Refined sugars and starches, like white bread, sugary drinks, and even some breakfast cereals. These cause inflammation and insulin spikes, which speed up muscle breakdown. Processed meats, like bacon, sausage, and cold cuts. High in sodium and additives, they strain your kidneys and weaken muscle repair. Vegetable oils, especially soy, corn, and canola. These are high in omega-6 fats that disrupt your body's natural inflammation balance. When you eat these regularly, your body stays in a state of low-grade inflammation. And that makes it hard to repair or grow new muscle. Now, here's what you've been waiting for. The one spoon before bed that helps your body rebuild muscle naturally. It's not magic. It's casein-rich food, like a spoonful of cottage cheese Greek yogurt or chia seed pudding. Why these? Because they're packed with slow-digesting protein, especially casein, which feeds your muscles steadily through the night. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed casein protein before sleep had improved overnight muscle recovery and growth. Just one scoop, around 1/2 cup, 30 to 60 minutes before bed, can give your body the amino acids it needs to repair and build lean muscle. But that's not all. In the next section, I'll show you the best bedtime combinations for joint pain and sleep, what not to mix with your night protein, and a simple nighttime routine that helps your body absorb more nutrients as you age. Stick with me. Your strength and independence depend on it. Now, here's a mistake many seniors make at night. Even when they're doing the right thing by eating protein, mixing your bedtime protein with the wrong foods or drinks can actually block absorption or cause poor sleep. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Even decaf has small amounts that can interfere with deep sleep, which is critical for muscle repair. Limit alcohol before bed. Even one glass of wine may seem relaxing, but it reduces sleep quality and muscle protein synthesis. Skip sugary desserts. High sugar spikes your insulin and promotes nighttime fat storage, not muscle recovery. So when you take your spoon of cottage cheese or yogurt, keep it simple. No added sugar, alcohol, or caffeine. You want calm digestion and uninterrupted sleep. To get even better results, you can pair your night protein with a couple of gentle natural helpers. Magnesium glycinate. This is a calming mineral that helps with deep sleep, muscle relaxation, and recovery. Many people over 60 are deficient. Just 200 to 400 milligrams with dinner can help. Tart cherry juice, unsweetened. Rich in melatonin and antioxidants, Studies show it helps improve sleep and reduce muscle soreness. Try taking a small glass, about 4 ounces, of tart cherry juice or a cup of chamomile tea with your spoon of protein. You'll sleep deeper, reduce inflammation, and allow your body to focus on healing and rebuilding overnight. And here's a bonus tip. Doing just 2 minutes of light stretching before bed helps circulation and muscle oxygenation, so your body can actually use that protein better while you sleep. Here are 3 easy stretches. Ankle circles, boost circulation in the legs. Shoulder rolls, relax tension from the day. Seated hamstring stretch, improves lower body flexibility. No sweat, no effort. Just a simple ritual to tell your body, hey, it's time to recover, time to rebuild. Let's wrap it up. If you're over 60 and worried about losing strength, independence, or energy, here's your simple plan. 1 spoon of cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or chia pudding 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Avoid sugar, alcohol, and caffeine. In the evening, add magnesium or tart cherry juice if you'd like a bonus boost. Light 2-minute stretch to aid recovery and sleep. That's it. No pills, no workouts, no overnight miracles. Just small daily actions that build big results over time. Remember, it's never too late to feel stronger, sharper, and more in control of your health. Your body wants to heal. You just have to give it the right tools. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and share it with a friend over 60. And don't forget to subscribe. We're building a wellness family where age is just a number and health is your new superpower. On screen. Subscribe. Decars. Watch next. 3 foods to avoid for joint pain.